So this is the Ann model at David Weekley Homes. It's 3,593 square feet. Oh, we're in Union Park. And we're going to go ahead and take a look. So as you can see, this is a 2-story model. We're currently right across the street from the clubhouse. Now they have a splash pad over there, a pool, all kinds of covered shade areas for sitting out. This is definitely a really cool community here in the North Valley. All right. Beautiful. Let's see, every home I have like a first impression. And this one I'm going to say feels pretty grand. I think it's the pillars. Those pillars are really cool. And I like this entry with the corner window. And a little spot right off the door, but not in the way. Now, this model has, which we don't see too often anymore, a living room and a family room. So the living room here has a built-in desk under the windows. I'm sure that's an option, those bookcases. So it kind of doubles as an office and a living room, which is really nice. I really like, let's get a shot of those beams. Look at the beam ceiling. We have this like tray ceiling with the beams in there. Really pretty effect. Maybe that's what gave me that word for the home of grand. That contrast of the dark beams is really pretty. And the pillars, as we said. Kitchen and dining room. And nice big walk-in pantry with double barn doors. Look at this oven with a double door oven. Interesting. Gas stoves, that seems to be the trend of the week. I love it. And this is a good oversized island. It's probably about 10 feet across and about 4 foot wide, maybe 3 to 4 foot wide. Might be a sub-zero fridge. Nice dining space with lots of windows. Great light in here. I mean, this dining room has windows on 3 sides. There are windows up high here, which is really smart because you can put that buffet table there. We have a triple slider here to go out to the backyard with a built-in barbecue. They've put a nice little splash pool in there, and then a separate door to go out there, which is sometimes easier than going out the big sliding door. And a huge, huge family room with really high ceilings. So this model's a little different than a lot of others in that a lot of 2-story houses, they'll actually make the living room ceiling go all the way up to the 2nd floor. But here they've just created this really high ceiling, but it doesn't go through. There isn't like an overlook of the balcony or something like that. But one thing that we do see, there's another triple slider right there. But one thing that we are seeing in a lot of models these days is the master suite in the back off the living room, and that's no different here. I'm really enjoying the contrasted black and white finishes, or actually it's more of a charcoal, not quite black. But this feels very nice. It feels posh. Let's go check out the back. We've got a nice little dining patio right off the indoor dining room. This yard is shallow, but they've done a great job with the space. Got a little pool table, different version, ha ha ha. The table in the pool. Little water feature and a nice lounge over there where you can sit on the step and cool off in those hot summer days. And honestly, with a pool this size, it probably wouldn't be that difficult to heat it. Plus, you have natural gas here, so you could use gas heat if you wanted to. And then this goes to a single car garage. So not only do you have the double car garage on the other side, you have a single car garage on this side, which is spectacular. So you can have one for storage. So there's your primary garage that we saw coming in right here. And then your single garage that we just noted is right there. So when you come upstairs, you have a sitting room to your left. We have a bedroom and bathroom immediately to the right, and then we have some more bedrooms over there. So here is our first bathroom, which is right next to this bedroom. This bedroom is bigger. It's huge. It has a really good sized walk-in closet. This room's probably a good 20 feet across. And we have our double vanity because this is a Jack and Jill bathroom. So the bathroom actually connects between two bedrooms. And then there's another little separate room here for the bowl and the shower tub combo. Let's see. And here is our next room. Not quite as big as the second one, but bigger than the first. And we have this fantastic lounge area. Nice big room, probably a good 20 feet by 20 foot. And a great place to sit and chill upstairs. So you have really a lot of different living spaces in this home. All right, let's go ahead and get some deets on this one. Alrighty, so here we are. That was another great home tour. So we are at David Weekley Homes in Union Park. So I'll give a shot of this map later, and if you would like a copy, just go ahead and drop me a comment below. I'll be sure to get you all the information on this wonderful community. So right now they're selling up in this quadrant here, which is by Independence Park up in the northeast edge of the Union Park community. And in Union Park, I'm going to tell you there's really cool community here. It feels a little more like a mini urban neighborhood. Maybe not urban, that's not the right word for it, but it feels like there's more a sense of community. This is going to be an area where I expect to see neighbors meeting at the community pool, using the rec center for parties, walking, those types of things. I just kind of get that energy. Now, of course, I don't live here, but that's the kind of energy and probably the kind of people that this neighborhood is most likely to attract. I saw a few people walking through the models, young professionals, definitely with a lot of bedrooms. You're going to have people that have families and things like that, or multi-generational, because you do have that bedroom downstairs that you can use. So let's see this particular model. So this model number 2 is elevation A, and the AND model is 3,593 square feet. It is 5 bedrooms plus a study and a retreat. I'm guessing this is the retreat up here. 4 full baths and a 3-car garage. So remember, we saw the 2-car garage on one side and the single car on the other side. And the price of this particular model is $918,990. So just under $1 million. Now, once you add all the upgrades and things like that, your price is going to go up. But that's where we are right now with this particular model, and there are some available. So go ahead and reach out. Let me know if this is the type of home that you're looking for. I'm happy to share with you current availability, builder wait times, and other communities in Ashton Park that also might be worth checking out. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, if you like this video, to go ahead and give me the thumbs up and subscribe for more. And if there's a new build community that you're interested in seeing, go ahead and let me know. I would love your suggestion on where we should go next. So thank you so much, as always, for watching. I really appreciate you being here and reaching out to us when you're ready to do that next step, and when you're ready to get a little bit more information about what it's like to buy a new home in the state of Arizona, in Phoenix. I am here to help. I have a team, and we will guide you through every step of the process. So thank you again for watching, and I hope to hear from you soon. So ODESSA KEILMAN. Have a great day.